Hi, welcome back to Keitha's Kitchen. Today we're making spaghetti meat sauce paired with zucchini noodles. The total prep time is 10 minutes, cook time 20 minutes, and yield about 6 to 8 yummy servings. Let's jump right into our ingredients. Take a screenshot of it so that you can have it for grocery shopping. Let's get started. So first we're going to have our skillet on medium heat, and we're going to add in extra virgin olive oil to your pan. I only did a little bit of the oil, so check the ingredients list for the exact amount. I just do it enough to coat the pan, and then I'm going to add in the onions and peppers that I chopped up, and it totaled to be about 1 cup. So I would say a half a cup of onions and then a half a cup of the green peppers. And we're just gonna let that simmer in the heat. I want to make sure that the oil is getting into the whole skillet. So I swirl it a little bit to help do so. And now I'm just letting them simmer in the oil and heat. Let it kind of get the aroma in the house, if you will. And now we're gonna add our ground turkey. Feel free to use ground beef. It didn't want to come all the way out. So in order for it to, break down and cook evenly, I went ahead and used my spatula to kind of chop it up or chop it down so that it could, cook evenly, brown all over. And I'm just chopping away. And then also I am folding the onions and peppers inside of the meat. And now I'm going to add my onion season pack. And as the ingredients say, use the whole onion season pack. Just a quick tip. I use the onion season pack because it kind of helps me to not over season my food. So you can do the same too. I don't like salty food. And also, not that much salt is good for us. So as I fold the meat and onion seasoning into it, don't forget to comment, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends, and leave me a like on the video. Also, turn on your my notifications so that you will be able to get a reminder when I post on Instagram, and that's at Cooking with Keitha. And right now I'm just doing my due diligence of, making sure the meat does not clunk up as it cooks. I'm going to add in some garlic. I literally took a tablespoon, scooped it out of the jar and put it inside of there. Now we're just going to be stirring so that it can cook down all the way till all the meat is brown. And now I'm going to add my vegetable broth to the mix. And we're just going to let it basically simmer down. And now we have our ground turkey. I'm going to add in some turkey sausage. And it's just the 2 links where we simply, you cook them first, obviously. I like mine extra crispy, but it just helps give your spaghetti sauce a little bit flavor. This is a personal preference. Add in 1/2 cup of your chopped tomatoes. And then you're going to add in your marinara sauce. I chose roasted garlic, but you can choose any kind. And don't throw your jar away right away. Set it to the side in the event that you need a little bit more, you need your meat to be a little bit more wet. I don't like it mine super, super wet. But I do wait until the very end to throw the jar away. So now I'm just folding everything into the meat, letting it simmer down and cook together. We have our tomatoes in there. We have our garlic, our turkey sausage, and of course our marinara sauce. And I'm just stirring away. It's starting to look really yummy. And as I stated, to kind of help it from getting dry or dried out, just put a little bit of water. You don't need a whole lot. And then shake it up and pour it in. And voila, we have pasta sauce. And I paired mine with zucchini noodles, but you can use regular spaghetti noodles. And I just want to say thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Also leave a comment if you made it to the end. Spaghetti bowl noodles, please.